still treating areas of plane shapes, and in this episode we'll be treating areas of circles. Okay, areas of circles. Now there are some few things you need to know about a circle. As for a square, it has 4 equal sides. A rectangle has 2 opposite equal sides. Yeah. Now a square has what we call a diameter and a radius. Okay, it has what we call a diameter and a radius. And for the sake of this lesson, or the purpose of this lesson, we will be using the diameters and the radius interchangeably. Both of them has a very simple relationship between them. A radius is half of a diameter, and the diameter is 2 times of the radius. Okay? So I like to put down some basic parameters we'll be using. Supposing this is a circle, and it has a center here. From the center to any part of the circle is known as what? The radius. And from an end cutting through the center to another end is known as what? The diameter. So the radius is denoted as R, the diameter is denoted as D. Okay? So from the center to any part of the circle is known as what? The radius. And from one end cutting through the center to another end is known as what? The diameter. So if you look closely, from here to here is the radius, from here to here is the radius. So your diameter is equal to 2 times your radius. 2 times your radius. Okay? And your radius is equal to your diameter divided by 2. Now, when calculating areas of a circle, we make use of a constant known as pi. We make use of a constant known as pi, and pi is what? This is called pi. Pi is 22 all over 7, or 3 whole number 1 over 7. But for easy calculation, we'll be using what? The 22 over 7 to be pi. This is a constant, okay? 22 over 7 as pi. So now, what is the area of a circle? Area of a circle. Area of a circle is simply pi r squared. Area of a circle is simply pi r squared, where our pi is 22 over 7, r is the radius of the circle, and square is the radius multiplied by 2. Okay? So the area of a circle is what? Pi r squared. Let's try a more visible example so you see how it works. Calculate the area of a circle. Calculate the area of a circle with radius 7 centimeter. Now we're given the radius to be 7 centimeter, r is 7 centimeter. Okay? Then our pi is what? 22 over 7. What's our area? Area is equal to what? Pi r squared. Now we're giving r to be 7 centimeter and our pi is 22 over 7. What will be the area? Okay? So this, we have 22 over 7 multiply by 7 multiply by 7. Okay? Very simple. This 7 cancels the 7. So we have what? 22 multiplied by 7, which is equal to what? 154 centimeters squared. Let's try it out and see. 22 multiplied by 7. 2 times 7, 14. Carry 1. 2 times 7, 14 plus 1, 15. So it's 154 centimeters squared. Okay? 154 centimeters squared. Now let's try another example and see. Calculate the area of the circle with diameter. Calculate the area of the circle with diameter with diameter 24, diameter 28 centimeter. Calculate the area of the circle with diameter 28 centimeters. Okay? For the area of a circle, it's pi r squared. If the diameter is 28 centimeters, we need to calculate the radius. So radius is equal to diameter divided by 2, which is equal to 28 centimeters divided by 2, which is what? 14 centimeters. So our radius is what? 14 centimeters. So now let's calculate the area since we've gotten the radius. The area is equal to pi r squared, and pi is 22/7. Our radius is what? 14 multiplied by what? 14. 7 here, 1, 7 here is 2. So we have what? 2 times 22 multiplied by 14. Are we together? 2 times 22 multiplied by 14. 2 times 22 is what? 44 multiplied by 14. So 44 multiplied by 14, let's try it out and see what we get. 44 multiplied by 14. 4 times 4 is 16, carry 1. 4 times 4 is 16, plus 1 is 17. 4 times 1 is 4. 4 times 1 is 4. So we have 6, 1, 6. 616. So we have what? 616 centimeter square. So we have what? 616 centimeter square. Now this is how to calculate the area of a circle. The area of a circle is simply pi r squared, and r is the distance between from the center of the circle to any part of the circumference, and the diameter is the distance from any part of the circumference cutting through the center to the other part of the circumference. That's the diameter. And relationship between the diameter and the radius is the diameter is 2 times of the radius, and the radius is what? The diameter divided by 2. So our pi is 22/7, and the first example is calculate the area of a circle with radius 7 centimeters. If the radius is 7 centimeters, our pi is 22/7. The area of a circle is what? Pi r squared. Put in your parameters. Your pi is 22/7. Your radius is 7. Okay? So let's multiply and see. This 7 cancels this 7. So we are left with 22 multiplied by 7. So 22 times 7 is 154, as we did here. And if the diameter is 28, what is the area? The area is pi r squared. We need r and not d. Please take note. For this one, we need r and not d. So convert your d to r, which is d divided by 2. Your r is d divided by 2. So 28 centimeters divided by 2 will give us the radius. So here the radius is what? 14 centimeters. That's when you can put it in the formula, because we have radius. So 22/7 multiplied by 14 multiplied by 14. So this 7 cancels here, remaining 2. Okay? When you do that out, you get 2 times 22 times 14, which is 44 multiplied by 14. 2 times 22 is 44. 44 multiplied by 14, which gives us 616 centimeters square. This is how to look for areas of a circle. I hope you do enjoy the class, and if you have any questions, you should please send them across. I'll be willing and ready to attend to them. Next, we'll be looking at area of irregular shapes. It is quite simple. Stay tuned.